Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to set up Zelle with Huntington Bank. So firstly, download and install the Huntington mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Log into your account using your username and password or biometric authentication. Once logged in, tap on the Zelle option in the app's main menu. Follow on-screen prompts to enroll your email address or mobile number with Zelle. This is how you'll send and receive money. After completing the setup, your Zelle account will be linked to your Huntington Bank account, and you'll be ready to send money through the app directly. After that, you can do this on the desktop as well if you want. So just open up the website, which I have open on my screen right now. Log in with your username and password. Navigate to the transfers section and select Zelle. You'll be prompted to link your email address or phone number to Zelle for easy transfers. After that, complete the enrollment process by following the instructions. And this is basically it. The final step is sending the money. Once Zelle is set up, simply enter the recipient's email or phone number to send money quickly and securely. You can also request money from others by entering their contact information. And that's all. You're now ready to use Zelle with Huntington Bank for quick, easy money transfers. Guys, enjoy this tutorial, like the video if it helped, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and see you in the next one.